before I do this problem, I want to talk about the fundamental counting rule. And the fundamental counting rule says if you have m ways to do something and you have n ways to do something else, you have a total possibility of 15. So if you have 6 shirts and 3 pair of pants, you have a total of 18 outfits. All right, so what we have in this problem is a 3-digit code. And I want to put in each blank line here how many possibilities I have for the first position, the second, and the third. All right, the first digit cannot be 0 or 1. Well, that leaves you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 possibilities. And the second and third, wait. The second digit must be 0 or 1. So that means you got 2 choices. And then they say, and the second and third digit cannot be 0 in the same code. So I can't have, you see, what's the first digit can be? The first digit cannot be a 0 or 1. All right, so I can't have 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, or 900. Those can't be codes because those second, third digit are both 0. Now, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. Okay, can't be that. Well, let's just forget about that right now. Figure out how many codes I have and then subtract 8. These 8 here, back those out. So, the second, third digit cannot both be 0 on the same code. So this third code, you got 10 possibilities it could be. It could be 0 through 9. So multiply those together and you get 8 times 2 is 16, times 10 is 160. But in those 160 code, you've got these 200 through 900. So back those out, you have a total of 152 codes.